Alright, now I'll unpack our gateway so we can establish the connection to the compressor. Everything we need is included in the box. Now I've connected the controller to the compressor, and I'll now hook up our gateway for programming. For that, we use the cables as labelled. With the O+, I connect to the positive terminal on the compressor controller. Then the green cable, the data cable, goes onto the LIN contact. And then the C, the brown cable, goes onto the C contact. Now the end of the cable is connected to the gateway. Then we attach the supplied data cable and connect that to the mobile phone. Okay, now I've charged the system, established the connection to Tool4Cool, and already started the compressor. Now, by pressing this button, I'll carry out the programming of the controller and increase the current speed of 3000 revolutions by simply swiping up to 4500 revolutions for maximum performance. And then we simply send that to the controller with this button. And we can immediately observe that the temperature will now drop because it's running at full power. You can already see it, it's going down.